Mamae, kia ora, my name is Jordan.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Owen. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rapere, the 3rd of September, from the beautiful Lake Wakatipu.
Let's start with Te kupu o Te wiki. This week's word is mamae,
which is te reo for sore. As in, kei te mamae te puku. Is your tummy sore?
Yes, it's probably all the chocolate pudding and ice cream I ate last night.
I remember that. Kia ora. Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
2015 Pet Day logo competition. Keep those entries coming in.
Make sure your name's on the back and your design needs to include Winton School 2015 Pet Day. The competition closes tomorrow, people.
Interhouse news. Kia ora to all the year 3 and 4 students who scoffed down a crumbly dry Weet-Bix yesterday.
Year 7 and 8 students is your big day tomorrow. Year 5s and 6 is you're up on Monday.
All science fair students to meet Mrs. Collett and at morning tea and lunchtime in the library to complete your projects.
Any Year 7 and Year 8 helpers would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
And if you miss any notice, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Sandpit news. A reminder to keep all the toys in the sandpit. Far too many toys just left laying around the playground.
Same goes to sports gear. Make sure all the equipment is returned to the trolleys at the end of play and lunch times. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for the Winton School news. From everyone here at Queenstown Camp, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and keep working, Winton School.